check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey folks, I'm going to open Series 1 Topps 2022. Let's see what kind of things I'll find. 16 card per box. 24 packs. 16 card per pack. So, let's get this party get started. This is what they look like. Other side. Go, ready to launch. So like Tyler Tucker, Parker, George, Zach. Where you guys Zach Pop? Ooh, that Gordon Jr. Stars. And you guys stupid. Whatever that is. So let's see. One, Zach Ashley, Iron King, Willie, popular. Trying to get autograph. Yeah, I got top rookie guy. So let you know what kind of cards you guys collect. I'm kind of interesting videos with him. Waiver. G card. It's like Kermit the Frog. Kind of cool. Stars. Major League Stars. Let's see. Junior. Things. Check hold. Xavier Perez. And you got all time. 87 tops. Oh, cool. But he did some bad things, so. Well, you know, Chevrolet's thing. Kind of stupid. But best his team is doing so well this year. Especially the Padres. Oh, that's a great picture. Okay, Tony Kemp. No action going on there. Padre, Sam turns. Aaron Judge, 62 home runs. Living nearby on around Stockton. Miller, the all-time card. Cody, he didn't have a really great year. You guys star Joey. Maybe Judge will play with the Giants next year. Kind of hidden. He might move on with his life. Welcome team. Rookie guy, Andrew. Old Brave uniform. Martin. Stewart. Pitchers. I think I'll text out the number one star pitcher or be player. Looking for the autograph or something. Be nice. Nolan Anderson. Good. JD Martinez. Words. Guys, got the security card thing. Mini. I thought it was Manny for a second. 2021 greatest hits. Star. Of course, Mike Trout was good. Houston celebrating about something. Team celebrating again. A lot of teams. This coach back has a lot of teams celebrating. I think I feel something special. No. And just, I thought I felt something special, but let's do alarm thing again. Okay, so the Braves, Freeman's with the Ellie now. Got cool. Mike. Okay, so rookie car started. Taking a whole bunch of records today. At least these categories are open. I'm getting that much credit. Clinton, Kelly, St. Louis celebrating. Celebrating what? Not sure. Those are my best players right now. Future star. Ooh, he's Jazz. Of course, another one of those Transformers, new Jazz. Picked up the game. All your shots to win. Yeah. Hopefully I'll try that later. Museum's over, so I'm not sure they're still qualified. There you go, 10. These kind of packs, I try to go a little more fast, so he has. Trying to make these videos in a certain amount of time. Don't want to bore you folks. Giver. Good player. So far, no autographs. So far, David Price, Jeremy, 87 tops. Got Kermit the Frog. Stupid security thing. Yes, I can't go stupid. It's my opinion. If you don't like my opinion, too freaking bad. Oh, this guy, well, darn it. This guy hit like his 702 home run this year. Keep playing. Welcome to the show, Steve Wilson. A different card. So far, no autographs. All can be winners, I guess. The future star. Get like Colorado. Right in. Ooh. At 20. Okay. 900 out of 2,000. Okay, I'll take it. You got something out of it. Not sure rarity is at 2,000 cards. Okay, so future star. This guy could be a future star himself. A great season. Man, really. Yeah, like Bartolai game. Oh, cool. So far, he didn't stupid so far. He's so scary cool. Yeah, I feel like it'd be something. Oh, Kaiser, future Hall of Famer. Aaron Judge hit his 62 home runs. Beat the National League most home runs. Twins player, John Grant. They do trouble kick somebody. Oh, Jack. One of their players. So far, no autographs. We got one number card. Oh, close. Well, he's with the Mets now. Rookie guy. I think he's a pitch. I remember he was the knuckleball player. Bobby's pitch. So far, no autographs. Go. Will Smith. I think there's like two Will Smiths in baseball right now. Pitcher and catcher. Oh, Deion Carter. Strawberry. Could be the Hall of Famer. In my opinion. Could be maybe 3,000 home hits or something, or 500 home runs. Guy was very talented player, awesome outfielder. Don't know what happened. Mystery. There. Old. Where did the players stay? Before he went to the Colorado. Oh, I got a number card. Okay, I got two number cards. This one at 200, at 300. Okay. I got two number cards. Number card? No. Rookie card. Oh, card. I got two of those so far. So far, two number cards. No autographs. I don't know with Hell Trail. I'll be Hall of Famer. Don't do anything stupid, my friend. Please don't do anything stupid. Sammy Long. Don't remember him. Oh, cool. Maybe Ricky Carr, Carn Wood. No autograph card. Morris. Oh, Ben I can't boo at him. Can't boo at him. No, I can. I can't boo it. There we go. Happy guy. Oh, that's cool. Reggie Jackson. That's one. This. Here's 3 packs to go. Thank you for stealing with me. After a 50-minute, 20-minute video, maybe. Lame. Not too many giant cards I've seen so far. There you go, yourself a hemp. So Jared. Who's Robert? Web. Oh, it's a great picture of him. All happy. Maryland's not a big fan of hitting him. Giants. Oh, bet. Only time I ever see him in a Giants uniform. The last pack of the day. Got 2 number cards. Rookie guys. Right. Hunter. Okay, I try to make really fast in this video. Like and subscribe, let me know what you think. Maybe do better next time. Thank you for watching.